Hi guys! So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can assemble the spinner. It's pretty simple. You just use this part and just divide it in its single parts. We do not use the LEDs, so we just use the magnet here. We take the magnet, it's pretty simple, just insert it into the lower part and use the thread to connect both parts. Here is a little space. It's because I did not properly clean all the supports from here, so I need to do this and then it will close perfectly. Okay, and then you can just add the spinner. Okay, this was not good. Yeah. And now it's spinning unendlessly. So I have fun with printing, I found the assembly, and I've of course fun with the model.